Pharma manufacturing as a whole is not as advanced as manufacturing in other industries. We are a highly regulated industry, so there's a natural hesitation to try technology that is not fully proven. The end-to-end transformation is about building high-tech manufacturing sites, and obviously data and technology is a big enabler for that.
4 years ago, we started our journey with AWS, and in those last 4 years, we've established some great capabilities with leveraging the innovation that comes from AWS and the cloud. In this new collaboration, we're going to be able to take it to the next level, looking at our ability to make manufacturing smarter.
AWS has been an obvious choice in many ways. The first one, and probably the most obvious, is through the scale and the agility of the platform that is world-class. Clearly great solutions in terms of IoT, cloud infrastructure, in terms of ML capabilities, and a stronger and stronger foray as well into the healthcare space. Secondly, there is also that customer obsession that AWS and Amazon more broadly really bring to the party. We wanted to get actually our teams to work together in that capacity so that we design solutions that are really fit for purpose for our associates, so that they can almost ignore the complexity of all the data analytics, all the predictive engine that is being run behind, but getting all that empowerment at the fingertip without having to worry about anything below the iceberg on that.
A key element of this collaboration is the Insight Center, which will allow us to look at our whole value chain from the start to the end. From how we source our material, how we do our demand forecasting, how we operate at the shop floor, to how we supply to our customers and our patients.
Our ability to pull data together to be able to provide insights and capabilities will allow us to have a great foundation to look at smarter manufacturing and other areas that we could potentially leverage this technology, whether it's procurement or in the commercial areas as examples.
I'm really proud of how teams are already starting to work together, co-creating solutions with bi-weekly sprints in a true product mindset. That's the type of Novartis I want us to build over the next few years, and I think AWS will be a great partner of ours in the years to come as we build towards that.